Okay.
Okay. Hi, everybody. Just going to do a few little short demos that are kind of related to pattern and repetition. Starting today with rubbings and using paper cuts to doing rubbings from. The great thing about this process is you can actually multiply the same image over and over and over again, and then use that in collage or as a complete piece where you're doing a lot of rubbings. So I have a couple of examples here of just really simple paper cuts that I've made with just copy paper. I'm using the folded side down on this one. It's just a piece that I folded in half and cut it out, so basically it's half a drawing that's been multiplied, which is also a form of pattern and repetition if you think about it. And a lot of my paper cuts are kind of based on that idea. So what I'm going to do is place this piece of copy paper underneath this folded piece of copy paper, and I'm going to use this is I think it's a Kohinoor piece of graphite stick. I have two different versions. I have a lighter one, a harder copy, which I really like as well. And basically what you do is just like making a grave rubbing or something. You put the paper down and then you rub over the top with the graphite. Can you see that? And I love the way it looks. It has this sort of drawn kind of quality to it that is so indicative of graphite. And this is the original. So I can just multiply this over and over again. So I'll just do the same thing again on the other side. Place that on top of the drawing, and then rub it again. And of course, you can use this process outdoors if you want to do rubbings. Go to a cemetery and make rubbings from the grave markers, which are always beautiful, especially the ones that have lettering. I always like that. And so on and so forth. And I'll do it again on this side. So it's a great way to repeat an image. And a little bit of the graphite spilling over is nice because it sort of adds a little plate tone and it kind of gives some extra volume. And you can see you can just keep doing this over and over and over again. Here's another one that I've done with this form here, and I'll just show you how that works as well. Once again, just rub the surface. I'm just using this particular, I think it's a Kohinoor one, or a Sargent, I can't remember. It looks a little like a Popeye character. It's actually based on a Gerrit Arndt isograph drawing. Famous probably for the symbols on like a bathroom door, for example, or crosswalk signals. Those are all kind of come out of Germany, and he made those always out of lino prints, but they work really good this way as well. And you can see that you can kind of create pattern, repetition, all kinds of possibilities, and just keep doing this over and over and over again.